Hi. What are you doing in there? Huh? What are you doing? Yeah, you're a silly bird. That's not your cage. Yeah. Ah. Is that your new cage? Jack, turn the water off. What are you doing in there? Oh. It's not your cage though. Wait, is it warmer in there? Do you want to take a shower? You want to lick the dirty dishes and clean them? Of course. Okay. Yeah? You want to come out? No. But we have to put the dirty dishes in there. You know. I know. Hey, Mozart. Mozart. Will you please come out? You want to get down? You want to get down now? Get down.
Just gives me this look like, why'd you move it?
Will you get down, please? Please come out of the dishwasher. Thank you. Oh, you're just gonna hang on the side? He's gonna go back. You can't go back in there. Okay. Thank you. Okay. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Mozart, please get down. Please get down. Aww. Come on. Come on. Gotta get down. That's a good boy. That's a good boy. Thank you. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Peekaboo. Peekaboo.
No, 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 you can't get up there. No. We gotta clean it now. Okay? Okay. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.